Hey there everybody, what's good, what's happening? Dual King 16 here, and today for all of you I have 2 more bags of potato chips with cards on them. But yeah, let's go ahead, open these up, and see what we get. And hopefully I don't cut the card. Come on, gently, gently. Ooh. You cut it a little more. There we go. Ooh, that was very close. I don't know why they would do this and not have it be easy open packs. Oh, I see what it is. Well, I see what type of card it is. It's a trap card. But it's also a holographic one. Let's see. Oh, that's a new one. I have no idea what this one is. Focus. Focus. There we go. Oh, wow. Some sort of potato card, that much I can tell you. Yeah. So, I guess I'll put up a description right here. Yeah, and you can read it for yourself what it is. But, oh, that is awesome. Beautiful. Alright. One more to do for this episode. Doodle-doodle-doo. Let's see. How funny would it be if it was like last episode and the same card but as a common. Let's see. Nope, it's a holo. Oh, I know. I have this one, I think, but I can't remember the name. It's like his signature attack, Junk Fist or something like that. But yeah, I'll go ahead and put it up over here, and you can read it. Pause the video and read it for yourself. Alright, so that's going to do it for this episode of What's in That Pack. Remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you never miss another video, and I will see all of you in the next one. So long, folks.